In Calendar, you can set up a block of appointments that other people can reserve. For example, professors can invite their students to reserve time during office hours each week. Appointment slots are useful when you don't know who needs to meet with you, but you want to make yourself available. You can offer people a block of time on your calendar that they can book time slots within. For example, you can set aside 2 hours that you're available to meet with people in 30-minute slots. Others can then book one of the 30-minute slots within that time that works best for them. Let's take a look at how we do this. Maybe I want for next week to set up appointment slots from Monday through Friday between the hours of 9 and 11 a.m. for people to work with me on their Google training. I am going to start on Monday, and I'm going to title this Google Training Help. Then I'm going to click Appointment Slots. Since this isn't an event, they are appointment slots. Then I want to tell it the range that I want to offer this. So I am going to choose from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So 9 a.m. through 11 a.m. Now by default it's on 30-minute appointment slots, but maybe I want to choose 20-minute appointment slots, meaning I will have 6 different appointments available on each day. Then I'm going to click on More Options. When I do, I have the ability to make this option repeat. So where it says Does Not Repeat, if I click that drop-down arrow, I can have it repeat every day, weekly on Mondays, monthly on the first Monday, every year on this date, every weekday, or a custom option. I'm going to choose custom. I want to repeat every week, every day, and I'm going to have it end on that Friday so that I only have those available from my start date, July 6th, to my end date, July 10th. Then I click Done. Now you'll see that right here there's a link to this calendar's appointment page. This is what you share with other people. So if I open up this link, by default it goes to the current week. If I click Look for Appointment Slots further ahead, it's going to take me to the date that I have the appointment slots. Now I haven't clicked Save yet, so we don't see any that are there. So I need to go ahead and click Save. And then if I go back to that appointment slot calendar and I click Refresh, and then I click Next Appointment Available, you'll see all the slots that I set up. I noticed that I made an error in my time on these dates. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on my appointment slots on my calendar. You can also get the link to your appointment page right here. And I'm going to click on Edit. So I noticed what I did here. I have this from July 6th to July 7th. Well, I only want July 6th from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So once I fix that, I go ahead and I click Save. I want to edit that for this event and all following events, and then I click OK. Now let's see if this looks a little bit better. There we go. So that's what I want it to look like. Now I'm going to open this in an incognito browser so that we can see what it would look like for another user that I gave that link to. If I go to the appointment slots, I could simply click on the time that I want. It puts the name of my account right after the name of the event, so I know right away who scheduled this. And if I want, I could put a description. I would like to talk about appointment slots in Calendar. Then I click Save. Right away, I am going to get a calendar invite telling me that somebody created those appointment slots. So if I go back to my original and I go to my mail, I have an email telling me that AK signed up for an invitation from 9 to 9:20, and it shows that description. I would like to talk about appointment slots in Calendar. If I want then, I can go ahead and I can add a Google Meet link. So I can click to view this on my Google Calendar. And here you see the event shows up on my calendar. And if I want to, I can choose to edit and I can add a Google Meet video conferencing link so that we can meet together. Then I click Save. And if I want, I can tell the person that I've updated the invitation by adding that link. I'm going to go ahead and click Send. Now, when the day comes, I simply click on that link, I join with Google Meet, and I'm ready to have our meeting.